Hi, students. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving and a couple days off from school. And welcome back to our final stretch here. So, I wanted to go ahead and preview the next 2 weeks. Of course, this will be the start of week 15. And then next week, we only have final exams. So, as we get to the end here and we're wrapping up, uh, this week you will have your chapter 15 quiz due. And I also want to point out that your final exam is due on December 8th. So it will be open for a span of several days so that you can choose the time that best fits when you want to take it. But it will be due by December 8th. And it is there is a 120-minute time limit on there, so 2 hours, just to give you an idea here. And let me go ahead and show you here that it's 100 questions. So it is a comprehensive final exam. So um, I just want to say good luck on all of your final exams this semester. Have a wonderful, wonderful winter break. I hope that you get rest and time with family and doing things that you enjoy. And if I don't see you again in another class, I wish you all the very best. It has been so nice to have you as students, and some of you, this is the second semester that I've had you in a row, so I will really, really miss you moving forward. But I'm always around. My office is in McCreeless, room 614. And so if I can ever be of any help to you, please don't hesitate to reach out. So again, to wrap up this semester, you have a Chapter 15 quiz, and your final exam is due by December 8th. Good luck to you all. Take care.